If you want to clean up your Steam library and hide games you do not want showing in your normal list, this video is going to help. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to hide games in Steam and then how to bring them back if you ever change your mind. It is a quick and simple process, and once you know where to click, you can do it in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Steam desktop app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once Steam is open, look at the top of the window and click Library. This is where all of your games are listed. On the left side, you will see your full game library, and this is where you need to find the game that you want to hide. Now, once you have found the game, right-click on the game name. A menu will appear with several different options. From here, hover over Manage. When you move your mouse over that option, another menu will open. In that menu, click Hide this game. That is all you need to do. After you select that option, the game will disappear from your normal library list, so it will no longer be visible in the main view of your Steam games. This is a great way to keep your library organized, especially if you have old games, testing games, or anything you just do not want to see all the time. If you ever need to see your hidden games again, Steam makes that easy too. At the top left of the app, click View. In the drop-down menu, click Hidden Games. This will show you every game you have hidden from your library. If you want to unhide a game, find it in the Hidden Games list, then right-click it again. Go to Manage and then click Remove from Hidden. As soon as you do that, the game will return to your regular library and show up normally again. So just to recap, hide a game by going to Library, right-clicking the game, choosing Manage, and then selecting Hide this game. To unhide it later, go to View, open Hidden Games, then right-click the game and choose Remove from Hidden. It is fast, easy, and completely reversible. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.